Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rachna Jadhav. Yes, you can see over here कि मैंने यह sample paper रखा हुआ है. That is the blueprint of sample paper term 1 and you know that in the term 1 you have it part A unit 1 2 3 and part B unit 1 2 3. Okay, तो यहाँ हम लोग देखेंगे part A में employability skills and you know very well कि you have 1 hour paper, आपके पास 1 hour का time होगा and in that 25 marks. Okay, and that also MCQs and 1 mark each. Okay, so there will be 33 questions. From that you have to attempt 25. Okay, आपको 25 attempt करने हैं, but in that also it is divided into two के part A और part B में. Okay, तो part A में आपको दिख रहा होगा that is it is of 5 marks. Okay, part A is of 5 marks and in that you can see here that it is divided 1 mark each as it is written. तो यहाँ communication skills 2, self management and ICT that is 2 marks. So there will be in total 6 questions. From that you have to attempt any 5. आपको सिर्फ 5 questions के answers लिखने हैं. Okay, then we have over here that is part B. Yes, okay, so subject specific skills and that 20 marks. Okay, तो यहाँ आपको दिख रहा होगा कि yes ITES that is only one chapter, आपको पता ही है 5 marks का. Then we have data entry, for that also we have 2 chapters over there, उसमें से 8 marks का. And digital documentation means Microsoft Word, उसके 14 marks पे आपको questions आएंगे. Okay, so yes it is divided like that and there are 27 questions in all. From that you have to attempt only 20. आपको लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है number of questions to be answered, that is only 20. Okay, so let's start the sample paper. Okay, तो पहले ही आपको यहाँ दिखाई दे रहा होगा section A that is of 5 marks. Okay, and that is for employability skills. Section B it is of 15 marks and there will be 20 questions over here, and in that subject specific skills. And over here section C that is of 5 marks. From that they will ask you 7 questions. आपको 7 questions दिए होंगे but you have to attempt only 5. So competency based questions, so your application based questions may be asked to you over here and you have to see the instructions according to it. Okay, and you have to give it. See here it is given all questions must be attempted in a correct order. Please remember ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान में रखना है because it will be in the form of OMR sheet, तो आप कभी भी उसे change नहीं कर सकते हो. So yes, you have to keep it in mind this all things. Now first you can see employability skills, that is section A. So which of the following is not classified as non-verbal communication? यानी non-verbal communications में वो classify नहीं होता है. So the answer is A, that is sign. The means by which the message is sent is called dash. तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? That is known as channel. Okay. It refers to a state of psychological tension and discomfort originating from unforeseen, difficult and confusing and challenging situations. यानी आप जो भी situations को bear करते हो, so उसके लिए what is it known as? That is known as stress management. And if you want to know about this all topic, तो मेरे सारे videos है already, so you can watch that videos and you can understand from there. Okay, now your realistic belief and trust of an individual in one's own judgment, capabilities and worthiness is called, that is called self confidence. Okay, so you must know the terms also. आपको सारे term definition याद करने हैं, याद करने in the sense समझना है. The elementary unit of the memory is, that is bit. Okay, everyone know the first basic, तो bit से ही start होता है, then byte, then nibble and that all. Okay, dash means an attempt to acquire a sensitive information such as username password. अगर आप किसी का username password आप लेना चाहते हो means without knowing, यानी उसको unknowingly आप use करते हो, so that is known as phishing. Okay, now we are going towards section B. Which of the following key move the text cursor to the beginning of the line? तो line के beginning पे जाना है तो आप क्या करोगे? So for that home key, right, and at the end of the line तो end key. Okay, which of the following operation will create duplication of table? Table का duplicate बनाना है तो आप किससे कर सकते हो? So that is copying a table. Okay, then which tab is used to add the header in a document? अगर आपको header चाहिए तो आप कौन सा tab use करोगे? So that is insert tab. You remember that the tabs and groups will be asked to you in the application base. Dash bar is located at the top of the window and shows the name, name of करंटली ओपन डॉक्यूमेंट, तो आप करंटली जो ओपन डॉक्यूमेंट है उसको टॉप पे आपको उसका नेम दिखता है. सो वेयर यू विल सी इट ऑन द टाइटल बार. आप किस पर देखोगे? दैट इज ऑन द टाइटल बार. ओके, देन we have it over here. Next, dash shortcut key is used for undo. Everyone know, आप लोगों ने पहले ही पढ़ चुके हो undo and redo. So your control plus Z, which is not a type of alignment in word processor. So the answer is middle. But yes, everyone know कि middle will come in the vertical alignment. Horizontal alignment for that left, center, justify ये आएगा. Okay. Dash refers to the facts or raw material which are processed to get the information. यानी आपको raw facts पर जो मिलता है that is known as the data. Okay. In the home row approach, also called horizontal approach, यानी जो horizontal होता है that is known as row. All the dash fingers of both the hands, आपके दोनों हाथ के hands rest on the home keys during the कीबोर्ड ऑपरेशन. तो वो कौन सी? ऑल द डैश फिंगर्स. तो कितने फिंगर्स? सो 8 फिंगर्स. ओके, सो 8 फिंगर्स एवरीवन नो दैट यू हैव टू कीप इट ऑन दैट. और अगर आपको नहीं पता है रैपिड टाइपिंग का आप यूज कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन डू द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ टाइपिंग ओवर देयर. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट हाउ टू इंस्टॉल देन यस यू कैन गो टू माय वीडियो. डैश इज द एरिया वेयर द टेक्स्ट टू बी टाइप इज डिस्प्लेड, यानी जहां आप टेक्स्ट टाइप कर रहे हो उसका डिस्प्ले होता है. सो दैट इज नोन एज द टेक्स्ट पैनल. Okay, dash services mean performing business operation through an outside service provider, यानी बाहर से. So for that the answer is BPO. Okay, then dash color indication stands for right inputs exceeding the acceptable time frame in rapid typing tutor. तो आपका आंसर है येलो. ओके, सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन येलो, रेड, ग्रीन. आपने सारे देखे होंगे कि हाँ व्हेन इट शोज एन एरर, व्हेन इट इज करेक्ट, व्हेन द स्पीड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. ओके, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ LMS इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ IT? आपको पता ही होगा दैट व्हेन वी आर सेइंग अबाउट द एजुकेशन, तो हमेशा ये चीज याद रखनी है कि LMS आता ही है. सो हियर the answer is learning management system. Okay, then the word processor helps us to look up synonyms and antonyms in the dash option. आपको synonyms और antonyms, synonyms is another meaning and antonyms means the opposite of that, so that you will be available in which option? So that is thesaurus. Okay, the default orientation of the page is dash in the word processor. By default आपको कौन सा orientation आपको मिलता है? There you know कि हाँ portrait and landscape are the two orientations, but we get it at the first, that is portrait. Okay, then dash is an arrangement of rows and columns. rows और columns में क्या arrange होता है? That is the table. Okay, so table में आपको rows and columns मिल जाते हैं. Which of the following is a way of selecting a word in word processor using mouse? अगर आपको mouse से selection करना है then which one you will use it? So there it will come double click. Everyone know double click से हमें क्या होता है? That the word can be selected. ITES is also called dash that cover the entire operation which exploit the information technology for improving the efficiency of an organization. यानी organization के लिए use होता है. That service is known as web enabled service. Okay, आपको already पता है ES means what? You can also write it in the comment box. F and J are called as dash keys. उसे कौन सी keys बोलते हैं? That is known as the guide keys. Because आप देखना F और J पर आप J के नीचे आपको underline जैसा दिखेगा. So it is showing कि हाँ आपको कैसे आपके fingers रखने हैं. How you have to keep your fingers and you have to type it. There should be at least dash centimeter of distance between your eyes and the screen. अगर आपकी screen और उसके बीच में then there is 60 to 65. Dash is one which displays the result of the lessons which has been already completed. यानी आपने already complete कर लिया and there you can see your result. So that is the statistics window. Okay, now here it starts the competency based. So as you know that that will be called as application based. तो आपको एक example दिया होगा, उससे आपको समझना and you have to give the answer for that. Okay, so yeah, Mr. Rajan wants to write x square, but when he writes this, it is like this. Which option he should use to get 2 at its proper place? तो आपको क्या करना है? superscript या subscript, so that you please write in the comment box. So that will be superscript. Okay, Rashi is an accountant. She wants to take out the printout of the balance sheet with the side. See here it is written. इससे आपको पता चलना चाहिए which option she should use to print the document so that the height of the page is less than its width. यहाँ भी आपको hint मिल जाता है कि हाँ height of the page is less than the width. Okay, so what it will be? That will be landscape. Okay, now Garima has created a document in the word process. She wants to give the heading in the bold. So your bold यानी क्या हो गया? So yes, you have to mention bold. Can you suggest her the shortcut key? तो उसकी shortcut key क्या आएगी? That is Control plus B. Dr. Akshat is a medical practitioner. He needs to perform a surgery for his patient. For that, he is required to monitor the heartbeat of the patient. अब heartbeat किसमें monitor होती है? So for that, here it will come ECG. Okay. Now Himanshu is practicing to type on a notepad. By mistake, he has written a wrong spelling. उसने गलत spelling लिख दी है. Okay. Now he wants to delete the wrongly typed word from the left side. अब left side से करना होता है तो which key you will use it? So that is the backspace key, and if it is from right side तो आपको use करना है delete key. Gautam has prepared a project for his school in a word processor. In his document, he wants to change all the occurrences of the word when to be changed to where. अब when को where में change करना है. So which option he will select? That is the find and replace. तो find करना है and then it will be replaced. Namita's teacher asked her to practice the keystrokes of numeric keypad. Numeric keypad का यूज करके उसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. She noticed that the keypad works in a dual mode. वो दो पार्ट में वर्क करता है. You know that number keys are at the top also of the QWERTY key, जैसे अल्फाबेट के ऊपर, and afterwards you can see it on the right side also. Identify the key that helps in changing the mode from numeric to arrow keys. अगर आपको numeric से arrow keys में उसे change करना है, then what you have to do? You have to use the numlock key. I think that I've explained you very well about this question paper, and if you want to know more about the topics, then as I've told you, I've made videos related to it, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel so you can get the notification about my new videos. Thank you.